Introduction to On-Page SEO. On-Page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, is the practice of optimizing web pages to improve a website's search engine rankings and earn organic traffic. It involves optimizing various front-end and back-end components of a website, including content elements, site architecture elements, and HTML elements. On-page SEO has changed a lot since the beginnings of search engines, but some of the fundamentals stay the same. The ultimate goal of on-page SEO is to make it as easy as possible for both search engines and users to understand what a page is about and whether it addresses their search query. Some elements of good on-page SEO include showing expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, e.g., optimizing title tags, writing good copy, aligning page-level elements like title tags, headings and content with a specific set of keywords, and using structured data and image optimization. On-page SEO is a constant process that requires constant review and audit of content to make sure it's good, relevant, and up to date. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.